Only recently have people started to make money off of this new trend, earning anywhere between $5,000 and over $10,000. Using this rising trend, you might maybe earn more than $10,000 from YouTube Shorts. All you require is a computer or mobile device with internet connectivity. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Go to Google, enter Google Trends into the search field, choose the top results and click it to begin. You will be directed to the Google Trends website, where you may see what is popular right now in your area, throughout the world, or even in space. You can use this area to enter any terms or phrase, and Google will provide the topic's current level of popularity. Enter Andrew Tate into the search field. By pressing enter, you will be taken to this page, where you can see that Andrew Tate had a very high August trend. His search traffic has once more increased, enabling you to generate large revenues. Although I am aware that some of you dislike him and others admire Andrew Tate, you can make a sizable sum of money either way. You can always leave a comment below letting us know what you think about him and why. According to vidIQ, a keywords research tool, Andrew Tate was searched for 25 million times in the preceding month alone. There is a sizable untapped market for this trend where it can be profitable. The next step is to go to YouTube. As you can see, the first result when you search there for Andrew Tate is a YouTube Shorts video. Despite having only been uploaded 20 hours ago, it currently has the top ranking for this topic. This is YouTube Shorts power. Even you simply scroll a little distance down, another Shorts video will rank for this term. And the more you scroll, the more Shorts video will rank. Millions of people watch the majority of these lengthy videos, 2 million, 6 million, and so forth. YouTube Shorts have been viewed by more than 2 million, 3 million, and even 6 million people. You can see that the long-form content was getting millions of views because the channels that posted these videos are well-known channels with over 400,000, 500,000, and even over 3 million subscribers. The shorts that received millions of views, however, were posted on channels with just 40,000, 60,000, or even 6,000 subscribers. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your shorts so you can use them to get millions of views, highlighting their strength and potential. You can view some of the shorts filmed on channels like Creator Tate and Tate Society, for example, by going to the YouTube Shorts channel that come up with your search for Andrew Tate. You may get a sense of how they function by looking at the tags, titles, and well-liked shorts videos that have had millions of views. Go back to that section after watching these shorts and choose popular options there. To find the most well-liked shorts on the channel, just open each of these shorts one at a time. Click here and copy the URL for the short. Simply navigate to ytshorts.savetube.me after that. The website allows users to download shorts from YouTube. The fourth step is to go to clickbank.com and register a free account. Simply paste the URL you copied into this box. Click Get Link next to it, and then click Download to begin downloading the video to your device. If you don't already have one, you can obtain affiliate links through the ClickBank marketplace for a variety of physical and digital products, which you can then advertise and resell to earn money. If ClickBank isn't available in your country, don't worry. I'll shortly show you another affiliate market. If you already have a ClickBank account, log in to access the affiliate market. There are several alternatives for both digital and physical goods on the affiliate market, and you will be paid each time someone uses your affiliate link to make a purchase. By simply typing paid social media jobs into the search bar and pressing enter, you may access the best deal I've already researched, which says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is one of the best deals to advertise your Shorts YouTube channel. As you can see, the numbers of people who are successfully advertising this product is presented by the offer's gravity, which is 300. In general, a gravity of above 30 is seen as good. This offer remains quite popular even after more than 12 years. Many creators who have advertised this offer and earn more than $1,000 each month have come to my attention. You will only make $23 from this deal's initial conversion, which is not very appealing. You can access its official affiliate page by clicking affiliate page over here. You can see that if someone orders this item, They will also be given an additional offer that is an upsell of $97 and $67 if you scroll down a little till you see this upsell flow chart here. $357 and $37 upsell offers will be shown to the users, who has the option of accepting them or not. Again, the last upsell offer of $37 will be visible whether the person accepts or rejects the offer. In each of these cases, in addition to the initial $23 commission, you will also be paid a 75% commission on the cost of each upsell. You will get a recurring commission of $48 for each customer who buys something via your affiliate link. To create your hop link, also referred to as an affiliate link, for this offer, click the affiliate button, input your ClickBank username, and then click Create. The second affiliate market is warriorsplus.com. It is also one of the best affiliate markets and accessible in the majority of countries. You can utilize Warriors Plus if ClickBank is unavailable in your country. By clicking here or here, in the top right corner, you can register for free on this page. Similar information will appear on your dashboard once you connect into your account. Now place your cursor over the affiliate column and click Offers. You may view further deals, along with the release dates and other information. By scrolling down to the page below this one, any product can be promoted here, but it must have at least a 12% conversion rate, a 5% refund rate, and an average sale of at least $15. For this strategy, I go with TV earnings. On November 7, 2022, this deal was made public and more than 1,000 people had already purchased it. The 29% conversion rate and 3% return rate are astounding, with an average transaction rate of $45 and a visitor value of over $9. This offer allows us to earn $9.84 for each person who recommends to it. The 74% gravity of this offer is another perk. You must first send a request to the owner of this deal outlining your case for marketing it before you begin doing so. You may say something like, I have a list of 15,000 people interested in making money online and I want to advertise it to them. Or I have a YouTube channel with the following interested in making money online. The fifth step entails setting up a YouTube channel with an Andrew Tate related name. Give your channel a name, such as Tate's Speech or Tate's Formula, and begin downloading shorts from other channels to publish on your channel every day. In its shorts videos description, don't forget to give them credit. Doing so will benefit you in two ways. To begin with, they will never send you a copyright. Second, YouTube will occasionally start suggesting your quick videos to its users. You will therefore advance more quickly. The most important thing to remember is to always include your affiliate link in the description and the comments of each and every short that you upload to your channel. Use their titles and tags as well, so that when one of your YouTube shorts become popularity, it will quickly take off and all of your shorts will begin to receive views. This will immediately earn you $10,000 by increasing the number of channel subscribers and the number of individuals who click the affiliate link in the video description. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.